Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download Photoshop beta on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. But if you have the application, just go ahead and use that. Okay? Or you can just go ahead and search for creativecloud.adobe.com. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and sign in your account, and if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. And then now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the Photoshop beta at the left side of your screen. So now as you can see, you need to you need a subscription to create or open files in Photoshop on the web data. So you can just go ahead and click on try for free. Okay, so your first 7 days are free. So you can just go ahead and choose any of this because you don't need to pay for anything for 7 days. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one, continue. Then here, choose any option that you want or subscription. And after that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on no thanks for the additional offers. So here, enter payment info to start your free trial. Okay, so just go ahead and choose the payment method. So if you have PayPal account, just go ahead and type your phone number. It is optional, okay? So just go ahead and put all of the needed information. So after you've done that, you can now start using the free trial of Photoshop Beta on your computer. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.